we are here at PMRExpo and talking to Kaveh. And Kaveh is the managing director of TASSTA, right?
Yes.
And TASSTA is a company we haven't seen that much before. You're rarely new in this area of PMR communications with this company because you have another background in PMR, I understood. Can you tell us about the company, about the solutions that you're having, and how you see the future of PMR communications?
Yeah. Thank you for the opportunity that we can introduce ourselves. And TASSTA is coming principally, we started the sales 3 years ago because we saw the gap that in the radio environment we missed a little bit the coverage. We wanted to solve the coverage problem, and also we wanted to give the flexibility to the customer to use devices which maybe are in our pockets, and also we see that the networks are getting better with the 4G and LTE networks which came up. And historically we started as an engineering office 10 years ago. So my own personal background is Rot und Schwarz, big Mobilfunk, and with that one I started, and then from the integration part we went to development, and TASSTA is principally our new company name and brand now since 3 years.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit more in depth about the products, because you have quite some revolutionary products on show.
Yeah, we are principally, we love radio, we know radio, and we love the function and how it is working, and we implemented whatever radio is doing and what we know from Tetra, we implemented in an application which is running on an Android, on iPhone, or Windows CE or Windows device, and also we are going to have a Linux Linux client until middle of next year. And the major idea is that yes, we have our group calls, we have different group calls, principally different channels, as many as you want. You have individual calls, we have priority calls, we are doing a GPS coordination, we have indoor localization, we have voice recording implemented, and also we have a lone worker protection and man down and ambience listening with that one.
So the same functionalities as PMR radios, right?
Yes, we are, because the functionalities in Tetra are the highest from the, you can say, okay, there are the simple one from maybe the two-way radios, but Tetra is very complex and it offering the most full completed solution in the radio understanding, and we imitate 100% Tetra with the benefits which we have on Android devices or any other device which we are using.
And that means that you're using 4G for that, or is it possible also at 3G?
You can even use 2G, because our data consumption is 10 to 15 kilobit per second. So principally, if you have Edge or 2G, it's fine with us.
But if I understand the technology on Tetra, for example, do you also target the mission critical and public safety market with this, or is this one tier down?
We principally, the idea is to optimize radio networks. We believe that a radio must exist in the public safety and environment, but we also believe that these smartphones can make the system more efficient and more productive, because the devices are in anybody's pocket principally, so we can use it, and also it is possible that we have a worldwide coverage with these devices, because I can be anytime, anywhere. I just need my IP connectivity, which I have usually now worldwide. You know, I'm traveling. We have now partners from Brazil to Australia worldwide, so it doesn't matter. Anywhere, anytime, people can see where I am on the map. They can talk to me in a group, they can talk individual to me, and even if I have an alarm, they can even get the ambience listening. Yeah.
Okay. So at the booth, I see a lot of Samsung branding. Can you tell us a little bit more about that relationship?
Yeah, it is. We are sure it is an innovation, and these guys from Samsung principally, it is a complete new market for them. It is a first-time opportunity to be in some, let's say, in some niche which they even never had on their business plan environment, because usually no radio user is going to buy a Samsung. But with, let's say, with a hybrid solution like TASSTA, like a universal gateway to any radio solution. We are connecting to Motorola, we are connecting to Sepura, we are connecting to Hytera, we are connecting to Kenwood. We are Switzerland. Yeah, so we are talking to everybody. With this hybrid solution, for the first time, for the, let's say, basic smartphone sellers, it's possible to come into this field and also to show themselves, to promote themselves, because now it's getting also we are opening the door.
One of the products is the mobile LTE base station. Is that correct? That's what we're seeing here.
Yes, this product was made for the German army from our partner BlackNet, which are sitting also in Germany, the south side. And the major idea is that this device is around 16-17 kilo, so any soldier can carry it. It's a mobile device, it's a mobile LTE base station. And with that one, you can also, our server is integrated in that box principally. And as soon as you switch it on, it's like you have a Tetra base station. So you have all your clients, you have all your coverage, and with that one, you can immediately communicate to each other.
Okay, so it's operational within minutes?
Yes, it's operational usually in 1 minute, I believe. Yeah, not longer. And the most interesting thing is, with that one, we are fulfilling the 100% critical communication issue in this case, because then you have your own box, this is your own base station, you have your own power environment, everything is in your hand. So that is principally, in combination with TASSTA, this is fulfilling and you can say, yeah, the critical communication and standalone solution.
Thank you.
Welcome.